Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Right off the bat, I would like to say thank you to all of my channel subscribers and especially my channel members, my anchor crew. Your continued support of my channel helps me bring you quality content and helps me keep this dream alive. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for your contributions. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Heretic Knives Colossus. Now, I'm not an OTF buff, so to tell you I know everything there is to know about out-the-front knives or autos would be intellectually dishonest. I will tell you how I feel about it and, my overall take on it. So let's get into it. All right, right off the bat, I love the finish on it. It is a battle-worn finish, I believe is what they call this, and it just looks really cool. I like the fact that they have a combination of contouring with milling lines and grip tape in here. There's also jimping cut into the top and bottom of the case, and ample stepping here and jimping, I guess that would be checkering or diamond, for your button. And I noticed that it really grabs your thumb when you deploy and retract the blade. To me, that's pretty outstanding, and I would say that would probably be very necessary on an out-the-front knife. So let's try the action. Easily done. Deploys just absolutely easily. And I believe with these, you're supposed to use your thumb to retract and deploy, but this one, is super easy to deploy and retract with other fingers as well. Now, I wouldn't make a game of that, but just letting you know that it grips that well that you could use something like your pointer finger to do both. So very good action on here. Let me get this away from the camera. And that thing deploys. Yeah, really neat. Now, the pocket clip is definitely left and right hand. So that in combination with the button, which is right on the top, makes this a true ambidextrous knife. And that is really neat as well. Up here you can see there is a ball bearing which can be used as a glass breaker if need be. The grip tape on here is inlaid or sunken in there and definitely provides excellent traction in hand. Let's get into some quick specs on the Colossus. We have a tip to butt length or overall length of 8.53 inches, a blade length of 3.5, a handle length of 5.03 inches, a handle thickness of 0.49 inches, a blade thickness of 0.14 inches, an overall weight of 4.7 ounces. Here we have a CPM Magna Cut constructed blade that is Tonto, flat ground, and has a generous sharpening choil. I really do like that it has dual fullers on here, and it just adds to the look of the knife. Now, with the generous jimping and traction all over the handle, there is also jimping on the blade, which I don't know if I've really ever seen an OTF that has jimping on the blade. So if you have to do any intricate tasks with this, you can actually get up over that blade and have a little bit of control. That's awesome. It is an ambidextrous pocket clip, and it is deep carry, as you can see here. The handle is constructed of aluminum. The finish on the Colossus is breakthrough gray and battle black. So that combination makes up this particular knife. Let's do some size comparisons with the Colossus. First up, we have the Hogue Deca. Clearly you can see that the Colossus is absolutely colossal when compared to the Deca. It definitely is a very large, if not extra large, sized knife. Up next, we have the Tekto Knives A5 Spry. The A5 is quite a bit, even fully deployed, shorter than the Colossus. Up next, we have the Max Ace Neptune. And actually, overall, the Neptune is definitely just slightly larger than the Colossus, and that has to do with not only the glass breaker at the back, but handle to handle, and blade to blade, it is just a hair longer in each of those categories. Great comparison. And last but not least, we have the Kunwu Knives Compadre. And clearly you can see here that the Compadre is definitely smaller than the Colossus. So that should give you an indication overall if this, would fit your size description or requirements. This is how the Colossus looks in your pocket. Final thoughts and impressions on the Colossus? I think this is a pretty awesome knife if I say so myself. Again, I'm not that big into OTFs, but this is definitely cool. It reminds me a lot of the older Microtech Scarabs, which I really, really wanted when I was younger. If you're looking for an overbuilt, very attractive, and super grippy out the front, I think this might be your knife. Definitely cool name, very cool design, and flawless function. Yeah, this is absolutely outstanding. I'm excited that I picked this one up. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below. Tell me your thoughts on the Colossus or OTFs in general. Would you carry one or do you carry one? Thank you so much for spending time with me today at Darkwater, and have a good day.